In today's video, I want to guide you on how to add or set border or footer on a Microsoft Word, like what you see on the screen. This is very simple. So let's begin this process by opening a Microsoft Word in our device. Just once you open it like this, click on blank page. Once you click on the blank page, you have yourself at this place. Go ahead and click on the Start button. From here, click on header. Now click on header edit or edit header. Once you click on edit header, you have yourself at this place. Now go and click on design. Now go to page border, click on it. From here, go to this side, page border, and click on custom, this button. We'll be able to customize the border. Now under style, click on anyone that suits you under style here. Let me pick this one. So this one is okay. Now you have it here. Then you can change color. Let's change the color. Let's pick a red color. If we like it like this, then you can as well pick any color that suits you. Then you can as well click on this more color and get more color from the color you have here. You can get from customize or you can get from standard. This has to do with you. So just click any color that suits you from here. Now let's click on this color. Then you can adjust the width from any of these. So let's go for 2.2 1/4 pips. Now come to this place and place the header here at the top or at the base, either of the way. So I want to add it at the top because it's header. Now click on OK. Boom, you have the color here right away. That's all, guys, on how to create or set border or footer in Word. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.